told Travis his left side is closest to his heart. And I told him that's his spiritual side, and I asked him to offer his spirituality of love to Charlene with his left palm open. I asked Charlene, with her left hand, to accept and return her spirituality of love to Travis, and I told him that is why their wedding rings are worn in their left hand. I told Travis his right side represents the physical side of life and material side of life which we live and we dwell in. He as a husband, provide and protect the home, and Charlene is to do that. However, I also told him when he does that, as a husband and a man, Charlene will always be over him. And he agreed. This forms a figure 8 or infinity between them, and there are energies that are running through their hands whenever they hold their hands this way. Yeah, boy.
The star of the show, my husband, Travis. I know I always gave off that I don't need no man vibe, but I do need you in my life. You balance me out, bring out the best in me, without trying to change me and erasing my bad side. You let me be me, but also the only person who can put me in my place when I go meet him. In high school, I vividly remember the teachers trying to teach us the importance of waiting for the one. Someone asked, but how do you know when there's the one? And a religion teacher responded, you will know when he believes in you more than you believe in yourself, and he loves you more than you love yourself. Thank you for loving me, and thank you for choosing me to be your wife, and to spend all your future adventures with.
Looking forward to all our future adventures together. You are the best thing that has happened to me. You make everything better. I love you, bud.